Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 29th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the forecast for Thursday and Friday. Also, the weather radar currently across the nation. Also, the Watch This Morning advisory. Center outlook for your Thursday, and also we're going to try to take a look at your Friday forecast as well. And also we're going to take a look at the Climate Prediction Center outlook for temperatures and precipitation over the next 8 to 14 days. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road. But first, I apologize for no video last night. We had a internet outage last night in the area. I could not do a forecast because I did not have no internet service. So sorry about no forecast for last night. Internet back up this afternoon. Got it back around I think around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Got it back. So hopefully I can do my forecast again as well. Alright, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here now. As you can see, we've got a little bit of shower activity from Maine down toward New Jersey, Delaware, a little bit of thunderstorms and showers over portion of Virginia, also portion of North Carolina, also across South Florida to the Florida Keys. Then more thunderstorms and showers from Alabama to Texas, all the way to North to South Dakota, Minnesota, portion of Wisconsin, Iowa. Shower activity over Montana, and a little bit of thunderstorm activity over in Wyoming, Colorado, and New Mexico region as well. We have mountain on the state. A little bit of shower activity. We have in the yellow flag, and also northeastern New Mexico, some severe weather possible in your region. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge of much of Canada, much of the northeast, portion of the great northeast United States, portion of Florida, the Bahamas, Jamaica, Yucatan Peninsula, much of Gulf of California, New Mexico, Arizona, all the way up into Washington, Oregon State, portion of Idaho and Montana. All of this activity is for your Thursday, May 30th. All right, here's your Friday forecast. You can see we got a little bit of shower storms from portion of Georgia, Alabama to Panhandle, Florida, back into the Gulf of Mexico to Texas, portion of northeastern Mexico through New Mexico, Colorado, back up through the Dakota, a little bit up here in the South Canada around the Great Lakes, also northern Michigan, Wisconsin, Illinois, and also the portion of Tennessee, Alabama, and Mississippi regions as well. We got a little bit of mixed precipitation over here in Washington State, a little bit of shower activity there as well in the coastal waters. Severe weather possible on Friday, and also in the red slash flash flooding and heavy rain possible. Much of the East Coast, also down into the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica regions, also into areas of Mexico, New Mexico to Arizona to portion of Washington, Idaho, Montana regions. Dry high pressure is in charge of your area's weather. And all of this activity is for your Friday, May 31st. All right, here's a look at the radar currently across the nation. We got a little bit of activity across portions of the Northeast, portions of D.C., Pennsylvania. We have a severe South Mississippi with some thunderstorms and showers in Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana, and portions of Texas. We have a flash flood warning also in Louisiana. Louisiana. Okay. We went to Port of New Jersey, Delaware, and East Maryland vicinity. Severe thunderstorm warning in South Texas. Louisiana, Minnesota border, also portion of Wisconsin, also Illinois. Ohio. I mean, then Kentucky, Tennessee, also into Arkansas, also into portion of Louisiana, East Texas as well. With some flash Arizona. There's that severe thunderstorm watch from portion of Colorado, portion of western Nebraska and Kansas, also up into portion of the Dakotas, also eastern Montana, northwest, northeast Wyoming with some special weather statements there as well. Ongoing severe thunderstorms in the portion of Idaho, portion of Montana, Idaho, and western Montana. Also, we have some, let's see, make sure that is what I'm thinking it is. Okay, yeah, frost advisory. Yep. Also, we have some freeze Oregon State. Down to southern Central and North. Hawaii and Chain Island look good. Central South got some small craft advisory. Same around Alaska with a split advisory inland. All right, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook for you Thursday. All right, we got some general thunderstorm from up here from Boston down to Raleigh. Also from Melbourne, Tampa down to Fort Myers. Also Miami to Florida Keys. Also more general thunderstorm from New Orleans all the way up to Fort Grand. Also over toward Great Falls. We have a marginal risk of severe weather from San Antonio up to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Also we have a slight risk from Port Woodward, Oklahoma City down to Waco and Austin areas. Also Abilene and Lubbock you included as well. All right, let's move on to the tornado probability. All right, we have a 2% up here, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, all the way down to Austin, and also over to Alexandria, and also just around Shreveport, Louisiana, back to Midlands, also Amarillo and Pablo, Colorado. All right, let's move on to the damaging winds. Okay, as you can see, we have a 5% from Sioux Falls down to Alexandria, Lupton down to San Antonio to Fort Stockton, Midland. You're included in 5% risk for damage. Also from Austin over towards the Garden City area, Liberal, Woodward, Fort Steele, Wichita Falls, Lubbock, also Abilene, Austin. You're included in the and let's take a look at the large hail. We have a area, significant area, 15% includes Lubbock, Texas, Abilene, Amarillo, St. Angelo, Big Springs, Brownwood, Garden City, and St. Angelo. And also 5% include San Antonio, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Oklahoma City regions. All right. Folks. Okay, as you can see, we got general thunderstorm from Miami to Fort Tampa, all the way up to to Duluth, Minnesota, over toward Cheyenne, also toward Fort Stockton. We have a marginal risk from Midlands all the way over toward New Orleans, Jackson, Greenville, Memphis area. Then we have a 15% risk area from Lupkin to Shreveport to Dallas, over toward Austin and Abilene area. This is the slight risk area. This will be 15%, and the 5% will be in the green shaded areas there as well. The Climate Prediction Center 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. Okay, we're still waiting on it to pop up here, so okay, here we go. Alright, you can see we got a, sorry for the noise, my cat's up here trying to get a hold of my, messing with some of my stuff. But anyway, we got a west, below normal over the Ohio Valley, also portion of the north, then above normal normal temperatures in the northeast, and also portion of the southeast as well. We got near normal temperatures across Alaska. Hawaii. The Hawaiian Chain Island. We got above normal to the north, central, and south areas of Alaska will be below normal in temperature. Precipitation from the northeast down to the mid-Atlantic. Also across Texas back into Colorado. Also below normal precipitation for a bunch of Florida into portion of South Carolina, portion of Washington, Oregon State, across Montana, and also into the Dakotas as well. Near normal precipitation elsewhere expected. Below normal precipitation across all of the Hawaiian Chain Island, and above normal precipitation for much of Alaska except the outer edge of the Alaska region. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care.